What's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Nice and sunny today, so I'm going to show you this 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen 271 RL. If you find this video informative or helpful at all, feel free to like and subscribe right now, okay? Let's check this rig out. On the front here, you got obviously the nice fiberglass front cap. You also got that nice front window, okay? So while you're in the bedroom, you can actually have that natural light come on in. It's also got these LED strips, which are a nice touch, especially when you're out there at night. Check out this pass-through storage, real nice. And at the end, other end over there, you saw that there's a solar charge controller, which does mean that this does come equipped with solar, which is a big benefit for you. Okay, so your batteries will essentially never run out. There will always be charging happening, which is awesome. Yeah. Okay, it's also got the nice power stabilizer jacks as well. So like I always say in the videos, with the push of a button, it's really easy. Okay, you'll have your jacks down and your camping experience will start. You also got two different awnings here, one on this slide out and then one on the rest of the rig, or almost the rest of the rig. You also got the nice solid steps. A lot of people like these ones because they're a lot more sturdy, and which I agree with. These are my favorite steps. I'm not totally fond of the floating steps, but you got the nice solid steps coming on here. And let's go into the rear living, okay? This one's really nice. It's kind of, the floor plan is kind of like a fifth wheel. You got your nice two-seat couch right there, or theater seating. You also got your nice dinette there as well. You got the nice island right here, which is, you don't really get this. Usually on the longer travel trailers, this is what you're gonna get. And it is in this one, which is awesome. You got the nice stainless steel sink as well as the faucet as well. Coming on over here, there we go. Coming on over here, you got the nice 8 cubic foot fridge. Okay, nice fridge and freezer there, so it's a little bit bigger than your traditional ones. You can have it for long time camping trips, which is really awesome. You also got the microwave as well as the 3-burner stove cooktop and the oven. And then you even got some more space on the bottom. Oh wow, look at that. Jeez, I'm genuinely surprised. Look at that, it's nice, a nice space right there. Okay, and then you also got some places for storage right here. You can use it for decoration, use it to prep vegetables, dinner, anything like that. Big benefit to you. You also got some storage up here. And this does come equipped, as you see on the top there, with an AC as well, with ducts throughout. So you're gonna feel cold in here as well as warm. Also forgot to mention on this side, on the rear living side, I'll trade places with you. We do have this nice long sofa right here, which does convert into a sleeping space. They also got these on the side of the sofa. There's actually a nice shelf right here. Okay, shelf or nightstand, I guess you can say. And then they got some spaces for storage underneath as well, which is quite nifty. You got some USB ports as well as the 110s, or 110 plugins, so you can have that electronic experience still. Nice oversized TV. Really, really awesome counter right here that you can use for decoration. Radio as well as the fireplace right there. Really nice, good layout for this. Very, very homey. And like I said, the big benefit for this one is the solar. It's really, really awesome. And this floor plan is also very desirable, especially in a travel trailer, right? Check out that bathroom. Nice size bathroom. You also got the nice size shower as well. It's got that removable nozzle, which is really nice. And it's got that skylight, so for the taller folks, you also can come on in here. Check out the bedroom. Okay, nice walk around bed. It's a queen bed we got here. You got places for storage, and they do have this little side hole right here, so you can plug your phones in, or for the USB ports or CPAP machines, anything like that. That's really, really nice feature you got there. Okay, you also got some storage on the top, and you even got this nice closet area. Okay, you can use that as some more hanging space for your clothes or for her clothes, right? And then you got the TV backer location just right over here on your left-hand side. Guys, if you like this rig, feel free to give me a call, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. I would love to help you out, find out about this trailer or any other ones, okay? Give me a call. Well, for now, happy camping.